Welcome to our latest video, which is all about exercises for plantar fasciitis. The first exercise we're going to do is a nice calf stretch. The reason stretching the calf is important is because fibres of muscle and connective tissue from the calf area wrap around the heel and form part of the plantar fascia. This stretch also stretches the plantar fascia itself, which is crucial for recovery. As the plantar fascia from the heel crosses the arch of the foot, it connects towards the toes, meaning that a more specific stretch can be really useful. Be sure to also hold this stretch for about 20 to 30 seconds. Stretching the plantar fascia like this can help to reduce tension, inflammation and ultimately pain, and needs to be continued for at least 3 weeks after the pain is gone to be sure the issue has completely resolved. Gently articulating the joints of the foot and massaging the plantar fascia itself is important, as it improves blood supply to the area, improves foot and ankle function, and can help to relieve pain. The ice bottle roll is one of the best ways for reducing inflammation in the sole of the foot. Place the bottle on the ground and push your foot down onto it, rolling back and forwards as long as you like. Trying to aim for about 20 minutes of this exercise per day. Improving mobility is key to maintaining proper foot and ankle biomechanics, as well as helping to reduce stiffness and tension around the joints. Gently take your foot and ankle through their full range of motion on a daily basis, at least 10 to 15 times. Foot and ankle strengthening exercises provide the joints with the support they need to function properly, something which is crucial to curing plantar fasciitis in the long term and preventing any relapse. Employ each exercise shown here for between 10 to 15 reps once per day. If you haven't got a TheraBand at home, you can find a link to one in the description below.